got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you, you know that I need. That's what I like about you. That's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. 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 That's what I like about you.
Memiliki keteladanan hati lingkungan sehingga di dalam langkah itu gak sembarangan.
Mau ikut sesuatu lagi, dan paling tahu juga bilang kayak, kamu bisa nggak tanggung jawabnya? Kamu kan banyak kegiatan yang lain gitu. Ini karena saya tahu potensi saya tuh emang bisa, kebetulan kita emang bisa.
Karena ada pengalaman organisasi, seharusnya ketika ada tantangan seperti itu kita sikat, kita ambil. Kita sikat, kita ambil, tapi dengan catatan kerjanya harus benar, harus beres.